Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 1, today I am going to take your English language class. And our today's topic is lesson 21. That means the preposition of place. So all of you take your English language book and go to page number 67. Today we will do exercise 2 and exercise 3 from this chapter. So let's start our class. Now in our previous class we have discussed about the preposition of place and where we can use in, on, under or between. Now we will do exercise number 2. And what is the instruction? What do you see in the picture? It is page number 67. So all of you take your book and look at the picture. What you have seen in the picture. Now look at your book. There is the picture, a colorful picture. And number 1, what is number 1? The children are dash the classroom. So where's the children? The children are inside the classroom. So what will you write here? Yes, we will write here in. The children are in the classroom. And now number 2, the blackboard is dash on the wall. So where's the blackboard? Now look, where's the blackboard? The blackboard touches the surface of the wall. So what will you write here? Yes, we will write here on. The blackboard is on the wall. Now look, number 3. There are some books dash the table. So where's the book? Now look at the picture. Where's the book? The books are where? In this place. That means, so if something is, if something is on the surface of some place or something, we will write here what? On. There are some books on the table. Now look, number 4. A dustbin is dash the teacher's table. So where is the dustbin? Could you find it out? Yes. Now look, there is a dustbin. So where is it? Below the table. So what will you write here? A dustbin is under the teacher's table. Now number 5. The chart is dash the wall. So where is the chart? Now look at the chart. It is hanging on the wall and it touches the wall. So what will you write here? The chart is on the wall. Now number 6. The teacher is writing dash the blackboard. So where is the blackboard? Now look, it is on the wall. So yes, the teacher is writing on the blackboard because the blackboard is on the wall. So we'll write here on. And now look, number 7. The green bag is dash the desk. There will be a blank. So now look at your book. So where is the green bag? Now look, where is the green bag? The green bag is where? The position of the green bag is here. So what will you write here? Yes, I know all of you know the answer. It will be under. The green bag is under the desk. And now look, number 8. There are pieces of paper dash the dustbin. So where is the dustbin? Now look, there is the dustbin. It is under the table. But where is the paper? Now look at the picture. The pieces of paper are inside the dustbin. So what will you write here? Yes, we know the answer. We will write here in. That means that there are pieces of paper in the dustbin. So what is our sentences? Okay, let's read from the beginning. Number 1, the children are in the classroom. Number 2, the blackboard is on the wall. Number 3, there are some books on the table. Number 4, a dustbin is under the teacher's table. Number 5, the chart is on the wall. Number 6, the teacher is writing on the blackboard. Number 7, the green bag is under the desk. And number 8 is there are pieces of paper in the dustbin. Now we will do exercise number 3. All of you go to page number 68. Page number 68. Now look, there is a very nice picture, colorful picture, and we will complete this exercise. So what is our instruction? Look at the picture and complete the sentences with in, on and under. So we will use 3 prepositions in, on and under to complete these sentences. So what is the first sentence? Where are the books? Now look, number 1, the books are dash the table. Now look, where is the book? Here. So what will you write here? Yes, you are correct. The books are on the table. Number 2, the doll is dash the shelf. So where is the doll? Now look at your book. Where is the doll? My dear students, now look, it is inside the shelf. So what will you write here? Yes, you are correct. We will write here in. The doll is in the shelf. Now number 3, the lamp is dash the table. So where is the lamp? Now look at the position. The lamp is here. So it touches the surface of the table and it is on the table. So the lamp is on the table. So we will write here on. Now number 4, the clothes are dash the cupboard. So now look, this is the cupboard and where is the clothes? Clothes are inside the cupboard. So what will you write here? If something is inside, so what will you use? Yes, we use in. So it will be in the blanks. So number 4 is the clothes are in the cupboard. And now number 5, the mat is dash the bed. So where is the mat? Look at the picture. Now look, there is a very beautiful mat. Now look, where is the mat? There is the mat. And where is it? Below the bed. So we will write here what? Yes, we will write here under. The mat is under the bed. So number 1 is the books are on the table. Number 2 is the doll is in the shelf. Number 3 is the lamp is on the table. Number 4 is the clothes are in the cupboard. And number 5 is the mat is under the bed. And my dear students, now look, there is a homework number 7. And you will do exercise 3 from lesson 21. That means this exercise number 3. You will do exercise number 3. These 5 sentences. It's your homework. So my dear students, from our today's topic, we have learned about the preposition of place and their use in some sentences. So practice it at your home. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. And my dear students, do your homework regularly and submit your homework on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. And it's very important because your SBA and CD marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So do practice at your home and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.